good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
And what are you doing here right now? I'm eating. Okay, so could you tell me what did you eat? Can you mention it?
Beer, fried chicken, rice, Fanta.
Alright, now how is the taste? Is it delicious? Okay, now I will ask one by one. What is the taste of the beer?
Sweet,
What is the taste of the rice and fried chicken?
spicy,
Alright, and what is the taste of the Fanta?
sweet.
Okay, that's very good. Which one is your favorite? Which one is your favorite? That's okay. So, I want to ask you, how many times did you eat in a day?
3.
Could you tell me? In the morning you have breakfast.
Breakfast,
In the afternoon you have lunch.
lunch,
And then in the evening you have
dinner.
Alright. Now, how many stars will you give for the food and the drink here? From 1 to 5.
5.
Alright. Thank you, kids.
Bye-bye.
Okay, that's